Well, good morning. It's a brand new day at the Florida RV SuperShow 2026 edition, and we finally made it to Winnebago. So let's check out one of the Thrives.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV, yeah.
Here we are. Here we have some information about this particular model, about the construction. Here we have the floor plan and the specs. MSRP $57,394, but you can have it today at the RV show for $36,000. Best new model of 2026. And here we go. This one has a permanent bed here in the front, and wardrobe, closet, some space there to put stuff, drawers, storage on the top. This has a ducted AC, not sure exactly which brand. Here we have a TV, very well placed, if a little high, but very well placed in front of your recliners here. You have these small tables here to put your beverage or a snack. Very large dinette. Here we have shoe storage underneath, and storage under that one. Probably not a whole lot, because I believe, no, there's no storage here. This is all the electronics, your electric box. So this is very cool. We have a rear kitchen here, rear galley with fiberglass countertops with molded sinks. I like the fact that they're putting all these signs, so you know. Sometimes you cannot find a salesperson. Exactly the same 3-burner that we have in Pelicamper with the oven. Exactly the same. How I know? Because my mocha pot doesn't fit here. Here we go. Organizer drawer. And we have, this is a Thrive thing. We have trash and recycling. We have a Furrion refrigerator. 12 volt, and well, it is a Furrion AC. Apparently everything is, they have all Furrion appliances here. This is very nice, with a very large window to your campsite where you want to have it. Now here we go. Here's the, yep, that's the sound of a Dometic porcelain toilet. Here we have our medicine cabinet, very large, and with fairly tall shelves. So so sometimes these shelves are very short, and you cannot fit your larger bottles. Skylight shower. This has a lot of headroom here. This is very cool. And here you can put your shampoo and your toiletries, and they sell these bars that you can put here, so it stays in place in motion. Very nice shower. I guess black faucets and appliances are in fashion these days. So, and it's a pocket door here to get into the bathroom. So yeah, this is one of the Thrive models, and let me show you the other Thrive here that we have that has a bunkhouse in the back. Just so, and a Murphy bed, I believe. So you can see the difference between those two. 22 mph here at the RV show. These are all some of the specs. You may pause to see some of that. And this one, MSRP 50, almost 56. You can have it here at the RV show for only $35,799. And we're having power issues here at the RV show, I see. No, but they were blinking up and down. And this one, we have a Murphy bed here at in the front. Very reminiscent of Mini Teeny 3 with the sofa. Anyways, I like Murphy beds because you can make the bed sort of disappear, and then you have this area, this second sitting area here. This one has a U-shaped dinette on a slide out, and I didn't check the other one for road mode, but you would think that this one will be almost fully operational in road mode. Maybe you lose access to your air conditioner controls, but that's about it. You have 2 bunk beds here in the back with storage at the bottom. Same refrigerator, same. Again, we don't have a convection microwave because we have a propane oven. Same type of drawer and trash. Huge counter extension here. And let's take a quick look. Here's the pantry. Very nice. And here's a look at the nice bathroom. Beautiful. All right, let's see what else is new at Winnebago this year. Here we are. Here we have I was talking to Grant, and there's another Thrive back here that is a brand new model, and it's this one. And this one also almost has the feel of a fifth wheel. It's a $53.99 here at the show, but MSRP is $73. I mean, this is more of a. Let me show you. It is. I mean, if you have the truck to tow this, and even then, dry weight is 82.46. I don't know with the cargo capacity. Yeah, this is a 3/4 ton or half or 1 full ton towable. I wouldn't want to tow this with. Look at that, opposing slides. Here we have this island here in the middle, and here we have the same thing, the Thrive thing that has the waste and recycle. Here we have the 2 recliners in front of your TV where it should be. We have a fireplace. I mean, all the appliances are very similar to what we've seen in the other ones, so I'm not gonna go through every nook and cranny or anything like that. I mean, I wonder what the purpose is for this door here. Just decorative. I suppose there's some hardware back there. And then this is very cool because you can it's multi-purpose. You can have it there. You can be sitting down there overlooking your campsite, and perhaps answering some emails. You can the power went out again. You could use that as a 2-person dinette, and then it extends. And I'm afraid this is going to be a 2-hand operation, but he did it very easily, and now I cannot do it there. It extends. And all this hides behind there, and then you could convert it into a 4-person dinette, which I think is pretty clever. And then, yeah. I mean, this is an RV designed to entertain, right? You can have company, and that's also why you get something large like this. This is the bedroom here, with a queen-size bed. Very cool. And then the bathroom, again, very similar, very large shower room there. And the lights are flickering. Maybe the RV show power systems are getting overloaded. Anyway, that's it for Winnebago Thrive, and I'm going to show you a Micro Minnie as well. Well, here we are once again at Winnebago at Florida RV SuperShow 2026, and this is a new floor plan. I was just talking to Grant, yeah, check this thing out. It's kind of what I wanted all along. This is the Micro Minnie 2000 MRB, which is a Murphy bed model. Here in the front it has the Murphy bed. Here's some specs for you to check. Dry weight 4078, that's very light. 22.4 total length, and that's 45 MSRP, 26,999 here at the show. And let me show you real quick, and the way I see it, this is the Murphy bed right here, which, let's see if I remember how to convert into a sofa, right? So here we go. You kind of, it's a tri-fold mattress here that goes just like that. And then, I don't think there are any latches or anything like that. So I would recommend for road mode that you put it in the sofa, I mean in the bed position, and then you just go like bam, and that's it. And what I love about having a Murphy bed in this case is, you can make that bed disappear, and you gain all this space, so you have a second sitting position here. We have some storage down here that goes through all the way to the pass-through storage in the front. Of course, ducted AC. And looking here towards the back, I mean, the way that I see it, this is kind of what I wanted, a 2108 without a slide. And this is kind of a mirror image of the 2108. We have this dinette, two-person. I mean, you could probably fit two-person and two children. Looking to your campsite, which is where it should look, not to your neighbor's campsite, but to your, I mean, you're gonna look at your neighbor's sewer, but I mean, unless you are boondocking. And notice something else. There is no slide here. So yeah, that's another. I like the light colors. You know, it's a residential utensil drawer. Here we have these countertop surfaces here, convection microwave. So here we don't have an oven, and I'd like, you know, you're never gonna use 3 burners at the same time, or almost never. So I like the fact that they're keeping it simple and just doing 2 burners. And here the bathroom, it's kind of almost the same bathroom as the 2108 we had. We've got I would replace that with a max air vent, but hey, it's a skylight shower, which actually, this is very large. This is very spacious. This is very good headroom. And again, yeah, it has a tankless water heater. I'd be curious to know what brand it is, but yeah, this is actually quite nice. Let me check out the storage down here. And this is a brand new Micro Minnie for 2026. Very cool. Let's see, let's go around. Let's see what kind of water heater. They have the jacks are electric, spare tire, Westlake tires. And here we have a profile water heater on this side. And here are your, which are actually inside the underbelly, the valves. They're probably on a cable, but still it's good that they are inside the underbelly, because that gives you more cold weather capabilities, if you will.